Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about recycling. Our mission is to recycle useless items or new things. Like my brother's shoes, which I decided to color and renew using a spray color because he does not like them. If you are an expert at spray coloring, put gloves on your hands because your skin is so sensitive or any allergic. Choose any color you like or you want. This shows will still look fine after recycling. I hope you like this video. Color every edge of this shoes. Simply don't be frightened to dye your shoes. The finished product won't seem awful. Always be cautious while throwing anything out because we could want to reuse it or put it to other uses in our daily lives or every day. Our shoes look amazing. I hope you like this video.